Monkey walks, using your hands to absorb impact while moving forward. This is a prerequisite to your animal landings and other hand movement in future level skills. So let's break it down. Step number 1, when you're doing your monkey walks, we want to go sideways. And so we do not point our toes forward and do it like this. We do it as if we're doing our cartwheels and our toes are facing sideways and we're going down and into it. So making sure it's that way, going that way. Step number 2, it's all about how you bend over into the monkey walk. Most important, we do not do this. We don't bend our backs, we have to bend our knees, keeping our back nice and straight and going into a squat position. So as we're going across, we go into a squat. Then you can bend your back to get your hands to the floor. Do not go into this position because it's going to hurt your lower back. So making sure that we're sideways, bending your knees, and then leaning forward into your hips to stand up. Number 3, we're talking about hand positioning. How far should you put your hands in front of you? Well, actually, it comes down to how fast you are going into your monkey walks. So if we're doing something a little bit slower, you can put your hands close to your legs. And that is totally fine. But if we're going faster, well, we need space to increase speed. And so we're going to leap into it with further hand placement. Parkour is all about adjusting as your environment changes and how much effort you put into it. So get out there and give it a try.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this, but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time, or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free, and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard, and play differently. Let's go.